It seems like history's repeating itself, except now I got the towel. Come on, Bess.
Oh,
Come on, Bess.
you've got your towel, Bess.
Come on. Come on. You think you're going to take me on, puppy? Huh?
I'll give it a whirl.
Oh, she's like, I'll give it a whirl. I'm going to rip this the flipping fabric. I like how she's trying to eat the towel. Look at this. She's trying to eat the towel, guys. Trying to eat it. Yeah, go. Yeah, go. Oh, you're so cute. Mwah. You're so cute, aren't you? Yeah. Whoop. Oh. Ah. I can literally go on for hours just doing this. Oh, I think she's starting to run out of battery power. Oh, oh, she's distracted. Oh, now she's just looking at me. Look at this cute little puppy. Look at this cute little doggy. Hey, Bess, are you a cute little boy? Yes, you are. Aww. Are you going to say goodbye to the fans, everybody? Or, Bess? Okay. Alright, I think she's tired now. Okay. Mission accomplished.